Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course.
Which train goes to Central Park?
Take the green line.
The Green Line?
Yes, it's on that platform.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hi, I'd like to buy a bus ticket.
Sure, where are you going?
I'm going to downtown.
That will be $3.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you very much. Hello, does this bus go to Main Street?
Yes, it does.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Hi, are you available?
Yes, I am.
Can you take me to the airport?
Sure, get in.
How much will it cost?
About $25.
Okay, that's fine.
Excuse me, where is the subway entrance?
It's on the corner.
On the corner?
Yes, next to the coffee shop.
Is it far?
No, it's very close.
Thank you.
Excuse me, which train goes to Times Square?
Take the number 1 train?
The number 1 train?
Yes, take it uptown.
How many stops is it?
It's 3 stops from here.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, I think I missed my stop.
Where did you want to get off?
I wanted to get off at 42nd Street.
That was the last stop.
Oh no, what should I do?
Get off at the next stop and take the train back.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, is this the ferry to Staten Island?
Yes, it is.
How long is the ride?
It takes about 25 minutes.
Do I need a ticket?
No, this ferry is free.
Great, thank you.
Hello, I need a ticket, please.
Sure, where are you going?
I'm going to Chicago.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving this afternoon.
And when will you return?
I will return tomorrow evening.
All right. That will be $40.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please tap your card here.
All right, done.
Great. Here is your ticket. Your train leaves at 3:15 from Platform 6.
Platform 6, thank you. Is it far from here?
No, it's just down the hall. Follow the signs for trains.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Have a great day.
What time does your train leave?
It leaves at 11:30.
Okay, we have enough time. The traffic is not too bad right now.
That's good to hear. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes if traffic gets worse.
That's fine.
Do you want me to take the fastest route?
Yes, please. I don't know the city very well.
No problem. I drive this route every day.
That makes me feel better.
Are you visiting New York?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Really? How do you like it so far?
I like it a lot. It is very busy, but it is exciting.
That's New York. Busy, loud, and full of energy.
Yes, exactly. I also used the subway this morning.
How was it?
It was okay, but I was a little confused. There are so many lines.
Yes, the subway can be confusing at first. But after a few days, it gets easier.
I hope so. Next time, I want to feel more confident.
You will. Just check the signs and ask people if you need help.
That's good advice.
Okay, we are almost there.
Great. How much is the fare?
It's $18.